So we will take a look at how you can create calendar with Canva app. So first thing, we will create some custom size image. You can pick from the available templates, and once it opens, what you can do, you can simply go to apps. Here you can type in calendar. So between builder and maker you can pick. So there are multiple options. So here we will pick one builder, right? Now here, once it loads, you will see options to build the calendar. So currently, let's say we need December month, say 26. Can pick the background color. So we will get some color palette for this, and let's say we pick something like this, right? So here we will pick this color and this color, or maybe strong, something like this, right? Or even these two would suffice. So this will be background, and we will choose that here, right? So this is background, and the text should be something like this, or you can even go with this if you want, right? And this is for header, and for date we can pick rest of these two, right? Can pick this one for background. So two of them being the background, and two strong colors will be for date, right? Now once you have this, what you can do is add calendar, and you will see something like this. And if we stretch this, you will see the calendar. Now the color part we went wrong with is basically the dates. So if we try and remove this, and let's say only make background as a light, right? So we'll pick between the two, and I will add this as background. We'll continue to keep the date from strong colors, right? And add the calendar. Now you see this is more visible. Now you can use this within one of the social media promotions, or for making your own custom calendars. That would also be possible from calendar builder app.